Hello, my dear students. I am Mrs. Rachna Pandey, your English teacher. This video is the second part of chapter number 1, Puppy in the Well. Before starting the remaining part of the chapter, let me recap the story. So, in the story, three children named Satish, Rajni, and Dilip were playing cricket. Suddenly, Dilip hit the ball and the ball fell into an old well. Children listened the sound of barking. They rushed to the well and looked in. At the bottom of the well, they found a puppy. They wanted to help that puppy to get him out. Suddenly, they found a bucket and a rope near the well. Satish had an idea to bring the puppy in that bucket. Rajni put some biscuits in the bucket with the hope that puppy may come into the bucket for these biscuits. Satish checked the strongness of the rope. So students, I have told you about the story till then. Now just move further. Very first, I am going to read the paragraph and then explain to you. So let's get started. The children lowered the bucket to the bottom of the well. Then Satish shook the rope and the bucket fell on its side. The puppy barked at the bucket on the mud floor. But she smelt the biscuits and became interested. First, she put her nose into the bucket, then her front paws, then her head. Now, shouted Satish. The three children pulled the rope and a very surprised puppy tipped into the bucket. Now I am going to explain it. Here in this para, children lowered that bucket to the bottom of the well. After that, Satish shook the rope. Shook means move. Okay? The bucket fell on its side. Puppy was afraid, so it started barking on that bucket. But the smell of biscuits somehow attracted the puppy towards the bucket. So, as you know, dogs have the quality of strong smell. So this little puppy also put her nose into that bucket. And after looking at biscuits, it put her paws into the bucket. Children, paws means here the foot of animals. Then after the puppy entered into the basket, Satish was very excited. So he shouted like now. After that, the three children pulled the rope and very surprised and happy to see that the small puppy. Now, next three more lines of the chapter are: in less than a minute, the puppy was up among the children. She was cold and shaking. Rajni held her. You will be fine, she said. Not bad, said Satish. We lost a ball and found a puppy. In less than a minute, puppy was with the children. She was cold and shaking. Why it was cold and shaking? Do you know, children? No. So let me tell you about it. I have told you that there was mud in the well. Yes? So because of this, it was cold and shaked. Shake means shivering. You can say in winter when atmosphere is very cold, then you also get shivering in your body. Yes? In the same way, The puppy also shaked because of coldness. Rajni held that puppy and said, "She will be fine after some time." Then suddenly Satish said, "What else? We lost a ball and have a cute puppy with us." Children, in this manner, all these three students, or you can say children, were able to help that small puppy who was stuck in the well. So, do you like this story? Yes? I know it was a wonderful story which teaches us the quality of helpfulness. My dear children, now after the explanation of the chapter, I want to provide you important glossary of the chapter and some question answers. Let's start with the glossary part. Yelled, to shout very loudly. Fell, to drop down towards the ground. Moaned, make a low sound because of sadness. Rushed, move very fast. Hugged, to put your arms around somebody. Rubbish, waste things. Mud, soft wet earth. Paws, the foot of animals. Children, you can write down these glossary in your English notebook. Okay? And now I'm going to provide you the question answers of the chapter. So very first question is there. What were the three children doing at the start of story? So the answer is, at the start of the story, the three children were playing cricket. Second question, what happened to their ball? Their ball fell into a well nearby. Third question, what was at the bottom of the well? Answer, there was a puppy at the bottom of the well. Then question number 4, whose idea was it to bring the puppy up in the basket? Answer, it was Sati's idea to bring the puppy up in the basket. Remaining question answers I will give you in the next video. Children, note down in your notebook properly in neat and clean handwriting. And also note down the homework of the day. Till then, take care. Thank you.